So my name is Dr. Daniel A. Pacella. I'm a general surgeon. Did surgery for 41 years of my life, and I practice on the southwest side of Chicago. The reason I came to the American Hip Institute is because I was involved in a motor vehicle accident and I had trauma done to my right hip. And after standing in an OR for 41 years, I was having a lot of discomfort trying to do routine cases. So I was talking to my orthopedic colleagues at my hospital, and everyone wanted to do my hip, but I investigated it further on my own and talked to other physicians, and Dr. Dome's name came up at the American Hip Institute, and I was told that this is the place to come to get it done. So I did the stem cell injection, and then we waited the necessary time, which is 12 weeks. And during that time, it got a little better, but it wasn't 100%, and I was having trouble in the operating room. So then I came back and talked to Dr. Dome, and we decided the best thing to do would be the robotic right total hip replacement. I would strongly recommend this Hip Institute to anyone who asks me where I went to have it done. And in fact, I have already recommended Dr. Dome to several of my colleagues and to family members that needed surgery done.